This Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday, Friday, and Saturday deals using the Friday one that end today, 5 off 25. And then you coming on Saturday using the Saturday one that end tomorrow, guys. Let's go in here. If it's a shutdown, we're going to stock up. Let's go. Okay, guys, now remember the clearance is still going on. They start another seasonal today. Okay, let's get to the first thing we're going to do. Okay, guys, when I say shut down, stock up, this is what I mean. You're going to pick up a 16 count of Angel Soft tissue. Then you're going to go and get your Arm & Hammer. You're going to get one $5 one, one $4 one, and then the pods for $4.35. We're going to scan all of this, okay? So first, let's get to our deals. You're going to have your 5 off 25 for Saturday in black. And then you're going to have your 5 off 25 for Friday in yellow, okay? Hit either one of those if you're looking at it on Friday. But if you're looking at it on Saturday, you're going to be looking at the black one, okay? Now let's start scanning. Here we go. And you have $11.95 for the Angel Soft and a $2 coupon that expires on Saturday. Whenever you see the black scissors, tap that. You need to turn it into a check mark, okay? Let's scan the Arm & Hammers. So we're going to scan this one. And it's $5. And it has 2 coupons attached to it, okay? So you can grab 2 $5 ones or you can grab one for $4, all right? Then we're going to scan the $4 one. That one is $4. And as you can see, that's a $2 coupon attached, okay? So then we're going to scan this one. They're just getting the pods back in. And the pods are $4.25, and you have a $2 coupon. These coupons do not expire until November 1st, all right? Okay, so let's do the math. The Angel Soft is $11.95. That Arm & Hammer is $5. This Arm & Hammer is $4. And this one is $4.25. Takes you to $25.20. All right, first thing you're going to do is take your 5 off 25 Saturday or Friday or Saturday. Then you're going to take your 2 off the Angel Soft, your 2 off the $5 Arm & Hammer, then your 2 off the $4 Arm & Hammer, then your 2 off the Arm & Hammer pods. Leave you at $12.20. This entire deal is $12.20. This Arm & Hammer tissue, guys, was $11.95. Originally $12.95. So technically, this whole deal, $12.20, is less than this pack of tissue, okay? So we're going to divide that by 4 products, $3.05. Your takeaway for your stock up is this Angel Soft tissue for $3.05. That's how much this tissue is. It's a 16 count, and it looks like this, all right? Okay, our next deal, guys. Now you're going to grab all 4 of your Arm & Hammers. This time you're going to grab the Arm & Hammer scent booster at $4. It's a $2 coupon. Then we know all of these have a $2 coupon attached to them. Then you're going to pick up your Purex, which we're going to scan that Purex. Let's scan it. Okay, the Purex is $3.75. You have a number of coupons. The one that you're concentrating on is the one for $1.25. Okay, that is the one you're concentrating on. Then you're going to scan your Finish. Okay, hold on. I'm spinning and it's okay. The Finish is at $5. Then you have a buy one, get one free coupon. Tap that scissors, make it a check mark. Okay, let's do the math. $4 for the Arm & Hammer scent shakers, $4 for the Arm & Hammer liquid, then $5 for that one Arm & Hammer liquid, and then $4.25 for the Arm & Hammer pods. The Purex is $3.75, and then the 2 finishes are $5 each. Okay, leave you at $31. We're over by $6, right? First thing's gonna come off is that 5 off 25, because that computer want to make sure you made your 25 bucks. Okay, now you're gonna take off of that free $5 finish, leave you at $21. Then you're gonna start your countdown. Take your $125 off the Purex, take your $2 off the first Arm & Hammer pods, take your $2 off the Arm & Hammer, that's $5. Take your $2 off the Arm & Hammer, that's $4, and take your $2 off the Arm & Hammer, that is the scent booster. Okay, leave you at $11.75. Divide that by 7 products, $1.67, guys. Remember, these are a little higher than what we've been doing because we're gonna do stock ups. It's a shutdown. You need to stock up on things that might go even higher. Okay, 167. So I'm gonna look at it. This $5 Arm & Hammer is $1.67. That's an awesome deal. That is awesome, guys. So let's get to our next deal. Okay, let's get to our third deal. Another stock up deal, guys. You're gonna pick up one Febreze plug at $10. It's a $5 coupon. We're turning it so we can scan it. One Airwick kit at $4.25. It's a $3 coupon. One Febreze car plug at $3.50. It's a $2 coupon. And one Lysol air sanitizer at $7. It's a $3 coupon. Okay. Let's start scanning. Sanitizer is $7. You have a $3 coupon. Car clip is $3.60, and you have a $2 coupon. The Airwick kit is $4.25, and you have a $3 coupon also. And then you have the Febreze plug, double plug at $10, and you have a $5 coupon that expires tomorrow. Okay, let's do the math. $10 for the plug, double plug, $4.25 for the kit, $3.60 for the car, and then $7 for the Lysol. Take you to $24.85. Pick up a piece of candy for 15 cents, 25. Now you should be able to find that because the seasonal clearance is still going on. Okay, you're going to take your 5 off 25, take your 5 off that double plug, take your 3 off that kit, take your 2 off that car plug, and take your 3 off the Lysol. Leave you at $7 even. Divide that by 4 products, $1.75. This is $1.75, and it has your house smelling amazing. Okay, so $1.75, guys. Let's get these deals. If they're gonna shut down, we're gonna stock up. That is not for you to go into panic mode, guys. That is for you to go into stock up mode and not panic if this shutdown lasts too long. Okay, because I am actually off work during this shutdown. I am off work. I'm a registered nurse, but I am not considered an essential worker. Okay, so stock up if they're gonna shut down. All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon code. And don't forget the seasonal that's going on. Let me show it to you. Hold it. I gotta pull some stuff out because I'm gonna get some of my expired stuff. This right here. So in the seasonal stuff that I found some little, I need these paintbrushes because we painted and we need to brush up. Okay, so they are 30 cents. Then the hanging baskets, they look like this right here. Let me find a tag for you, and I'm going to scan it for you. And they're $1.20. Okay, now this right here, I put these throughout my garden and put fertilizer in them when I'm fertilizing in my garden, and they are 75 cents. So the prices have lowered, even lower, because last time these was on sale, they were, I think, $1.25 or $1.35. Now they 75 cents. So that's what I picked up with the seasonal clearance.